Hi, this is the PBL number 2, and we are going to use a keypad, the PIC 18F4550, and the LCD in order to make a calculator. The sequence of the inputs that I'm going to do is a number, then an operator, and then the equal to make an arithmetic operation. In the LCD is going to show the inputs of the keypad, and it's going to make the operations, and it's going to show the result. So the operations are plus, minus, divided by, times. So 1 plus 2, this is the equal, 3. 2 minus 5 minus 3, 9 divided by 8, it shows the decimal operation, and finally 5 times 8. Okay, when I press any other button, the LCD is going to reset. Also, if I press this button, this is a reset for the LCD.